Hey, this is Dustin. So today I'm looking at a 2018 Grand Design Reflection water heater. And what I wanted to show you was customers in here for, I believe, a service. So if your drain plug looks like that, that tells me that it's never been out. Also, you see the customers are putting in flea collars, which is a great idea to help keep the pests and bugs out. Something other little telltale is this plastic red piece right here. That needs to get pulled out. When that stays in, it takes the risk of, as it shrinks out, which most of the times they do, it will fall out, and that plastic will end up down there and will end up melting on either the burner or the air flue or getting close over to here to catch on fire. The other thing too is I corrected the positioning of his thermal cutoff. That thermal cutoff was way up in the area of the here. So I took it and straightened it out. What that's for is if the heat gets too hot this way, or if it gets too hot this way, that it melts that jacketing and causes the water heater to shut off to protect it. Another thing that we're looking at too is you can see how this is starting to come loose. We want to make sure that that is glued back in place and that it hasn't pulled loose. That's to protect the ECO and the T-stat. When that comes loose, it can allow water to come from the pop-off valve to get back behind it, and it can corrode the connections where the T-stat or the thermal cutoff, or excuse me, the electronic cutoff rests up against the tank. So those are basically both thermostats. One is sensing and correcting the temperature when it should be, operating. The other one is if it gets too excessive heat, and it'll shut itself off until it cools down properly.
Hey, don't click off just yet. I've linked some other videos for you where you can see what else is going on in the shop, as well as some of the products that we're offering in the store.